JAM 2026 is coming, and students are not waiting. They've installed Test Driller, they've activated it, and they're already practicing like it's the real exam. Glory activated mine earlier this month. Adeni activated mine in the middle of October, and trust me, we have been learning a lot. Stick Mania, I just activated mine. Real students, real improvement, real results. With real past questions, timed CBT practice, detailed explanations, and performance tracking. Test Driller drains you to beat the clock and beat the competition. Don't wait till it's too late. Don't be the one explaining your results next year. Download the Test Driller now. Install, activate, practice, and dominate JAM 2026.